Hey folks, Jim here. The most common problems homeowners have with vinyl windows revolve around opening them. In this video, we're going to discuss the two most common problems: sashes that are difficult to open and sashes that just won't stay open. How to fix a sash that is difficult to open. Over time, dust and debris can build up in the tracks of your windows, making them progressively more difficult to open. In order to prevent this issue, it is important to clean and lubricate the sliding tracks in your window about once a year. First, let's discuss the tools needed to do the job. You'll need a vacuum cleaner with a hose or crevice tool, a soft cloth or sponge, a mild soap, and a high-quality lubricant specifically designed for vinyl windows. Don't use any lubricants that contain oil like WD-40. It will combine with the dust, making a gummy substance that will make your window even harder to slide. Instead, choose a lubricant made specifically for vinyl window lubrication, such as graphite-based dry PTFE sprays or silicone-based lubricants, which are the most popular choice. Now, let's get started. Lift the window sash from the lifting rail and open the window fully. Vacuum the tracks to remove dust and large debris. Using a cloth or sponge dampened with a mixture of mild soap and warm water, clean any remaining dust and dirt from the tracks. Pay close attention to the corners and crevices. Once the window tracks are dried, begin the lubrication process. To minimize overspray onto the walls and the other parts of the window, spray the lubricant onto a dry cloth. Then wipe both sides of the window track. Gently lift the window up and down the track to make sure the lubricant is evenly dispersed. Finish by cleaning up any excess lubricant or mess using a water-based cleaner and a clean cloth. How to fix a sash that won't stay open. Another common problem that homeowners have is a sash that just won't stay open, particularly those windows with a tilt-in sash option. But lucky for you, this common problem may have an easy fix and requires one common tool: the flathead screwdriver. Start by tilting your sash inward to a 90-degree angle. Lift the sash from the frame at the bottom corners one corner at a time. Then remove the sash from the window frame. Place the bottom sash on a soft, flat surface where it is safe from being scratched or damaged. Once the bottom sash is out of the way, take a look at the balancers inside the window track. One of the balancers should be lower than the other. On either side of the window, take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the metal piece where the bottom of the sash should lie when it is inserted. Twist the flathead screwdriver toward you and adjust the balancer by pushing it down with the flathead screwdriver until it is the same height as the balancer on the other side of the window. When the two balancers are aligned, tilt the metal piece so that the opening is vertical and remove the screwdriver. Place the sash back into the frame one corner at a time, making sure that the metal piece at the bottom of the sash locks into place in the balancer. When both corners of the sash are securely in the balancers, tilt the window up to lock the top of the sash back into the frame. As you do this, the window sash should level itself. Gently slide the window up and down within the track to make sure the balancer is functioning correctly again. If you've tried these tips and you're still having problems with your sash, we recommend that you contact a professional to come take a look. For more tips, tricks, and other information, subscribe to our channel. ViWinTech, let us enhance your view.